How to do a flicker edit on CapCut Mobile. It's very simple. Tap on the text icon and tap on Add Text. From here, add any punctuation or letter, but make sure it is easy to make it wide. From here, choose the font style and scroll down and fix the opacity of the text to 25%. Now just tap on the tick mark. Now this is the crucial step, and this is why I asked you to choose a punctuation that is easy to make it wide and cover the screen. And once you are happy with it, tap on the text and choose the style again and tap on the animation. From here, choose the loop option and tap on the second option, that is strobe border. You can also set the speed to fast or slow by simply sliding the dot which is at the bottom of the screen, just like this, and tap on the tick icon once you are happy. Here I am adjusting the alphabet. Now if you play it, it will look something like this. You can fix the speed according to your requirement. Wasn't it simple? Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.